Make them run this. Okay, they finna see in a minute, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna tell them they got a Mustang back there. He came on the trailer too. He about as light as you. You don't want to run him though, do you? Let's see. See? Yeah. No, yeah. Y'all, if anybody listen to Charleston White, that's how he be talking. No, yeah. Hey, that Mustang back there. That one right there at the end of the thing, they just put the hood on. They want to see y'all. That Mustang right there. Look at him. I don't want to.
You race up.
No, you just get him.
Oh, man, you done beat us 3 times.
No, he came on the trailer.
You and everything.
No, not that car though.
Yeah, man, it ain't that fast.
Yeah, it's fast. I've been watching it make passes all night.
Come on, man. That's all
Yeah, get him. He came on the trailer. He about 3,000 pounds like y'all. He got an LS motor like y'all. He got nitrous like y'all. He got a rear end built axles and shit. I got stock shit. Yeah, it ain't no 7.5 under there. That ain't no 7.5. It's leaving too hard. Yeah, stock suspension. This one's stock suspension too. With axles and coilovers and. Yeah, run Rafa. Rafa, they waiting on you, man. Yeah. Yeah, fuck with Rafa. Fuck with Rafa. They just put this shit together. They don't even know what it's gonna do. They just drove this shit. Do you drive it here too? See? Come on, man.
Hey, man. Hey, I'll race him if you get your ass out there.
I want back time to hit. I'll go on try you. Fuck it.
Hey, look out for back time.
I want both of them. Let me get both.
Hey, man, you don't whoop
Well, just run him head up, man. Just
get that, put up all money.
I don't want to put. Just run him for even money, Ralph. Get him, man.
No, get him, man. You can't pull him on us.
I'm trying to.
No. I said get him.
Get him. Shit. I'm over here struggling with these motherfuckers.
Ain't gonna drive.
Nah, whoever been driving been doing good.
No, me. I've been driving.
Nah, that thing there must be easy to drive. Fuck that.
I'm not gonna drive.
Who would drive it?
I've been driving. That's what I've been driving since I got.
Wayne gonna drive?
Wayne gonna drive.
Hell nah, he know how to drive too.
Man,
fuck that.
Come on, man.
Fuck that. Wayne gonna bump second.
They say you good king now.
I ain't no damn good king. I can't do nothing. They want that big photo. You see my shit sitting over there, man. It's probably still. I don't want that. Ain't enough. That ain't enough. Ain't even enough.
I ain't driving.
I don't want Wayne to drive either. Wayne can drive. I need an unexperienced motherfucker.
Drive.
Hey, motor the juice. Come on. Motor the juice. And I'm gonna get y'all the back tires.
How you gonna do motor
not
the
motor the juice. My car and y'all on motor, and I'm gonna get y'all the back tire.
You got a supercharger on there.
I know, but it's 4,500 pounds.
Man, that truck heavy.
Y'all got a goddamn trans brake and a power glide. You can use all that, just be on the motor.
They said that shit is Summit.
I don't want none of that.
Man, you got everything.
I ain't got none of that. That's stock transmission. That's a stock transmission.
Hey man, you been whooping out.
117,000 miles. You want the hit?
We'll take the hit, bro. What up, Chris?
Nah, I want back tire in the hit.
He said he want back tire in the hit, bro. He said, what do you want to do?
Yeah, I need the back tire in the hit. They spraying. I'm going to get them something. Let me get y'all something. Y'all be on the motor, use the trans brake. Hold on, y'all. We got this small block. Huh? We got this small block over here with a little work done to it. You ported something, tuned it?
He got everything ported. I'm going to give him the business.
What?
Bumblebee right there.
Oh, he finna try you?
Yeah.
Let me go holler at him. Well, I ain't gonna want him.
Yeah, don't even do this.
I ain't gonna bother.
Don't even do this.
I'm gonna leave him alone.
Blindside.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember when they first got this car, y'all, they started from nothing.
Chill out.
Oh, okay. I ain't gonna tell them nothing else. Huh? Y'all found somebody?
Fuck it, get your ass up there, head up, nigga.
And what? I ain't got nothing to beat y'all, man. I need to get that. I'm finna get my Mustang running.
I ain't never known you to back down.
Yeah, but I got a photo, man. That bitch
rolling.
it ain't going that fast. I tried to hit it earlier with the people in there. It wasn't doing nothing.
Because you had people in there.
It wasn't looking like how that S10 running. That S10.
Hi, Coach.
Yeah, they said back tire and a hit. That'll be a good race.
They said what?
Back tire and a hit. That'll be a good race.
With a supercharged rock. Come on, man.
Yeah, man. That's an S10 with a power glide. S10. That's an S10 with a power glide. How slow can it be? It gotta be quicker than me. With a trans brake. With a trans brake. Well, they want to whoop that goddamn caprice, y'all. I gotta get that. Look out, y'all. the Samsung went dead, man. I hope everything working over here on the I done switched up to iPhone. Billy Hayes, everything come back. Okay, Cold Walk say we good. I had to come back with that iPhone. It got 3%. Oh, it got 4%. Okay. Can you tell the difference of switching from okay, Masia bought ours from the TikTok. Just came, appreciate it. Okay, right lane.
Hey, you!
Okay. Huh?
I want to know who you're gonna run.
I ain't running nobody else.
You don't want to hurt their feelings.
No, I don't want to hurt no feelings. Yeah, they know that S10 don't weigh nothing. They want to run me. Devon, look out, Devon. Look out. Sound and picture is good. Highway speeds already. It's Kelly up there, Lord of the Rings in the building. Yes, sir. Yeah, Rob one time, they don't want to give me the back tire in the head. Rob one time, they think it's a good race, head up. Man, you know damn well my 4,500-pound car with my shirts and hats and shit all in the trunk and stickers, my merch mobile. He trying to run my merch mobile with his trailer car, man.